Hello everyone and welcome to your channel IELTS Perfection. In today's lesson, we are tackling one of the most common essay types, the problem-solution essay. So, if you're ready, let's dive in. In this type of essay, you're given a problem and you need to discuss it in detail, then propose one or more solutions to solve it. The key is to present a clear problem, then show how your solution will effectively address that problem. Typical topics include issues like pollution, climate change, poverty, education, or public health. So let's break this down further to understand what the examiner is looking for. Problem-solution questions may appear in various forms. Remember, IELTS does not want you to just list problems. You must explain them clearly and provide specific solutions. Let's go over this structure. A high-band essay follows the simple structure. In the introduction, you need to paraphrase the given IELTS statement and question, state the problem, cause, or solution, and state what your essay will do. So, your introduction should be clear and to the point. Let's see an example for the introduction. So the question is, many people today are living longer, but this is causing problems for healthcare systems. What are the problems associated with this, and what can be done to solve them? So the first thing to do is to paraphrase this question. After that, you need to briefly introduce the problems and mention that solutions exist. And at the end, state what your essay will discuss.
The increasing life expectancy in many countries is leading to significant challenges for healthcare systems. As people live longer, issues such as the strain on healthcare resources and the rising costs of care have emerged. This essay will discuss the problems arising from this trend and propose possible solutions to address these challenges.
Let's move on to body paragraphs. Body paragraph 1. Problems. In this paragraph, you need to clearly state the main problem, which is the topic sentence, explain the problem, give more details or background information about it, and provide a relevant example. It can be a real or hypothetical example. The key factor in this part is that we must explain the problem clearly. We should not just list the problems. Explain in details. Let's see a sample body paragraph for the same topic.
One major issue caused by rising life expectancy is the increasing strain on healthcare systems. As people live longer, they are more likely to develop age-related illnesses such as heart disease, diabetes, and dementia, which require ongoing medical care and expensive treatments. This places a heavy financial burden on both governments and families, as healthcare costs continue to rise. Additionally, hospitals and medical professionals struggle to keep up with the growing demand, leading to longer wait times for patients and a shortage of specialized doctors and caregivers. For instance, in many European countries, the number of elderly patients in hospitals has significantly increased in recent years, forcing healthcare providers to allocate more resources to elderly care while neglecting other critical areas of medicine.
In the second body paragraph, we need to introduce a possible solution or solutions, which is the topic sentence. After that, we need to explain the solution and explain how it will help solve the problem. And then provide a real-world or hypothetical example. A strong solution must be practical and realistic. It should directly address the problem and include a supporting example. Let's see a sample body paragraph for the same topic.
One effective way to address this issue is for governments to invest in preventive healthcare and wellness programs for the elderly. Encouraging older adults to maintain a healthy lifestyle through regular exercise, balanced diets, and routine medical checkups can help reduce the risk of chronic illnesses, ultimately decreasing their dependence on healthcare services. Additionally, increasing funding for home-based care services and elderly support programs can ease the burden on hospitals by allowing seniors to receive treatment in their own homes. For example, Japan has successfully implemented nationwide senior wellness initiatives, which have resulted in a noticeable decline in hospital admissions among the elderly. Furthermore, Governments should allocate more resources to training healthcare professionals in geriatric care to ensure that medical staff are well equipped to handle the unique needs of an aging population.
In the conclusion, which is the last part of our essay, we need to restate the problem and its importance in different words, summarize the solution discussed in the body paragraphs briefly, and if you like, you can give a final thought or recommendation. What's so important is that your conclusion should not introduce new ideas. Just summarize and leave a strong final thought. Let's see the sample conclusion paragraph for the same topic.
In conclusion, the increasing number of elderly people has placed a growing burden on healthcare systems, leading to financial and resource-related challenges. However, by promoting healthier lifestyles and expanding elderly care services, governments can reduce the strain on hospitals and medical professionals. With proper planning and investment, societies can create a sustainable healthcare system that supports aging populations effectively.
Now, let's go over some key phrases to make your essay more clear and cohesive. Okie dokie, let's end the video with a real IELTS question and answer.
Many people believe that the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, is leading to job losses and increased unemployment. What are the main causes of this problem, and what solutions can be implemented to address it?
With the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence, AI, concerns about widespread job displacement have intensified. Many industries are automating tasks that were once performed by humans, leading to declining employment opportunities, particularly in manufacturing, retail, and customer service. This issue primarily arises due to the replacement of human workers by AI-driven systems and the widening skills gap in the workforce. This essay will discuss the causes of AI-induced job losses and propose practical solutions to mitigate its impact on employment. A major cause of rising unemployment due to AI is the automation of routine and repetitive tasks. Many companies are adopting AI-driven systems to enhance efficiency and reduce operational costs, thereby making human workers redundant. For instance, in the manufacturing sector, robotic arms have replaced assembly line workers, significantly decreasing the demand for manual labor. Furthermore, the rapid evolution of AI has created a skills gap, as many employees lack the technical expertise required to work alongside advanced technologies. Without proper training and upskilling opportunities, a large portion of the workforce risks becoming obsolete in the digital age. To address this issue, one effective solution is to invest in large-scale reskilling and upskilling programs. Governments and corporations should collaborate to provide workers with training in AI-related fields, such as data analysis, machine learning, and cybersecurity. A successful example of this approach is Germany's vocational training system, which helps workers transition into high-demand tech roles. Additionally, policymakers should introduce regulations that encourage companies to adopt AI in a way that complements human labor rather than replacing it entirely. By implementing tax incentives for businesses that invest in human-AI collaboration, governments can create a more balanced job market where both AI and human employees can thrive. In conclusion, AI-driven job displacement is primarily caused by the automation of repetitive tasks and the growing skills gap in the workforce. However, by implementing reskilling programs and enforcing policies that promote human-AI collaboration, societies can ensure that technological advancements lead to job transformation rather than job loss. Proactive measures in education and policymaking will be essential in shaping a future where AI and human workers coexist productively.
Keep studying hard, and I'll see you in the next lesson.